Hey you guys, I am day 10 and I am at Home Depot. Not that you really care about that, but guess what, you guys? This is the reality. The bruise is still there from the injections to numb it, but you guys, look how good it looks. So here's the real, if you're gonna do this. I don't want to put makeup on this until I absolutely have to. And I'm getting ready to do a big TV thing in the UK in a couple weeks, so I'm just really letting myself heal. But homegirl needed some more allergy relief. I itch like crazy, especially at night, so I'm still I used Benadryl before, but my husband got me this allergy relief. He says it's the same thing and he wanted to save money, I'm sure. So there you go. This, and I'm doing my facial washes twice a day, and I'm still putting on the different things, and I actually have a post-op appointment tomorrow, which will be, let's see, that'll be day 11, so tomorrow, and I will post all about it and maybe even do some videos of it so you can see what happened on and how I'm doing.